We will examine the top picks for the finest Insta360 X4 car mounts on the market right now in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Pellking car mount for fastening your Insta360 X4 on your road trips. The Pellking car mount is a clear winner. Made precisely for the Insta360 X4, it guarantees that your camera is securely fastened, giving you peace of mind whether you're driving down busy streets or peaceful highways. With the help of this camera mount kit, which is intended for cars, you may get low-altitude photographic effects without the need for drones. Unlike other kits on the market, this suction cup mount enables the selfie stick to shoot vertically and tilt for a greater variety of photos. 5 suction cups are present. For increased suction power, the suction cups have a diameter of 3.3 inches. A double-sleeve arm clamping bracket that minimizes selfie stick swaying and bending is part of the kit. The camera clip can also be used inside cars and on the handlebars of bicycles and motorcycles. On number 2, we have Vamson car mount. When it comes to providing a versatile and sturdy way to secure your Insta360 X4, the Vamson car mount is a great choice. Your camera will be firmly fixed to the automobile thanks to the powerful load-bearing force, which offers a sturdy and robust basis. The bracket's 5-in-1 design enables it to be separated for individual use or utilized as a combination of automobile outside suction cups. It can be put together to use as a handlebar mount on bikes or motorbikes, or as a suction cup mount for use inside cars. Gives you a range of places and mounting options for your camera. Furthermore, portability is a priority in the design of the Vamson car mount. Because of its small size and low weight, it's the perfect travel or adventure partner for people who move about a lot. This mount's simplicity of setup and takedown contributes to its allure, providing a practical solution that fits the hectic schedule of on-the-go shooting. On number 3, we have Fotoleey car mount. Fotoleey's car mount stands out as a top choice for Insta360 X4 users who want to record their road trips consistently and securely. This mount, in contrast with others, makes use of the novel method of using the air vent in your car as a mounting point. You may mount the camera on your car's top, hood, door, and back using this kit. The Insta360 cameras will render the selfie stick invisible, so you don't need a drone to take low-angle photos. Reduce shaking and vibration. When the extension stick is extended, the long arm clamp keeps the camera steady. The double ball and tilt and pan rotation capabilities of the clamp make it simple to adjust the camera position. This mount adapts to your artistic needs, be it a sun-drenched highway or the mesmerizing lights of a metropolis at night. So these are some of the best mounts to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.